hundreds of skulls and other bones stacked on top of each other. A pile of leg bones deposited in front of a coffin. Carefully posed skeletons turning into dust. A skeleton holding a scythe and scales also made of bones. Mummified monks resting their heads on stone blocks. A wall of skulls methodically arranged to highlight 3 deceased monks. Hooded skeletons holding crosses while standing in a sea of severed heads. An open-mouthed mummy that looks like it's gasping for air.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.